Boys and girls, today you're going to do some word work. You're going to answer the questions about the vocabulary words from your issue of your Scholastic News. Question 1. Layers are formed when things are blank. Laid side by side, mixed together, or stacked on top of one another. So go back into your Scholastic News and find the bold word layers and see if the definition is they are formed when things are laid side by side, mixed together, or stacked on top of each other. Question 2. Which of these landforms is a canyon? Is this a canyon? How about this? Or is it this? Whichever one a canyon is, circle it. Question 3. What is a tall tale? Go back into your Scholastic News. To find proper spelling, please start with a capital and end with a period. And define what a tall tale is. Question 4. What does a lumberjack do? Is that a person who cuts down trees? Is that a person who plants trees? Or is that a person who builds buildings? What does a lumberjack do? Look in your Scholastic News. Now you're going to do a landform match. We've done one of these before, but it has been a while. So let's do another one. Cut out the landform images on the next page. Then you're going to glue each image into the box above its description. So the first one is a large flat area of land. So which one of these 6 landforms is a flat area of land? A large flat area of land. Could it be a mountain? Maybe it's an island. Is it a valley? Plains? Canyon? Hill? Which is a large flat area? A tall rocky landform that stretches high into the air. A low area of land surrounded by mountains or hills. A valley that is very deep and narrow. A piece of land surrounded by water. A mound of earth that is smaller than a mountain. So you're going to match all 6 of these landforms to all 6 of these descriptions and paste one in each box. You can color it when you're done.